Good evening, sir.
Okay, guys, we'll wait for 2 minutes, then we'll start. Okay. Okay. In meanwhile, if you have any question, you can ask me now. In yesterday, we missed few questions, right?
Excuse me, sir. Now only class started, no?
Yes. Not yet started.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. Actually, I need a small info. Is there any planning for morning batch?
Morning, I need to, start. Okay. Actually, one batch is going on. So that, I'll complete it next week. So after that, maybe I'll start.
Yeah, okay, sure. Thank you.
Is there any chance to tomorrow class?
No. Saturday, Sunday, this week, no sessions. Okay. Like once, everyone enroll, like based on their availability, we will take, Saturday and Sunday also to 2 hours at least, so that we can finish this course as soon as possible, and you can attend the interviews. Now calls are too good, market is too good.
What's the duration of this training?
This I designed, earlier 35 hours. For your batch, I designed for 40 hours.
Sir, March ending complete అయిపోతుంది sir.
March ending, yeah. March ending complete. Yes. Saturday, Sunday. If we take Saturday, Sunday, we'll finish March end. Then April first week, you can keep resume.
సార్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ మీరు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారా లేకపోతే మేమే అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి సార్?
ఆ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ, ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని నేనే ఇస్తానండి. లైక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమేమి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, మీరు ఎలా ఆన్సర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నేను హెల్ప్ చేస్తా. మీరే ఓన్ గా క్రాక్ చేసుకునే విధంగా చేస్తాను.
ఏ ఇయర్ పాస్ అవుట్ అయినా పర్వాలేదా?
ఏ ఇయర్ పాస్ అవుట్ అయినా నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఎనీ డిగ్రీ సార్?
సారీ,
డిగ్రీ సార్, ఎనీ డిగ్రీనా?
ఎనీ డిగ్రీ ఫైన్ అండి. సో మనం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టి వెళ్తాం కదా. సో నేను కోర్స్ అయిపోయాక అట్ ది ఎండ్ ఐ టేక్ సపరేట్ సెషన్. సో దేర్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, యువర్ గ్యాప్, హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ యూ వాంట్ టు కీప్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. ఓకే
Sir, is there any age limit?
Sorry?
Hello?
One by
is there
one.
any age limit for this job?
No one will ask our age and all. Okay.
Because my friend is 40 years above.
No problem.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, this is Naresh Chekati.
Okay.
Right now, I'm working in darknet technologies. Kokal, I have 5 years experience in darknet technologies.
Okay.
Because, right now, I'm in to this Mulesoft technology. How is the architect right now? And it is good. Can you please tell me?
I can help you. Like if you have 5 years, right? Out of 5 years, you can keep it as, .NET as 3 years. Remaining 2 years, you can keep it as Mule, so that your profile will fly. Okay.
Sir,
For
sir,
this,
last
yes.
doubt, sir.
Okay.
సార్ ఇది దీంట్లో అసలు కోడింగ్ అని ఉండదు కదా సార్?
There is no coding.
ఇబ్బంది లేదు అంటే వేరే వాళ్ళని అనుకుంటే సో మూల్ సాఫ్ట్ కి జావా వచ్చి ఉండాలి.
No, that is for Mule 3 and Mule 3. No company is using Mule 3.
అన్మిట్ పెట్టుకుంటే మాట్లాడగలుగుతాం.
Okay.
Sir, Oracle ESB is better or Mulesoft?
See, I cannot say other technologies, right? See, whatever I am teaching, I can say, okay, this is what, you know. You just compare. You can attend Oracle demo. And,
Okay, sir.
okay. Yeah.
సార్ కంపెనీస్ తీస్తే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది సార్, అంటే వర్క్ చేయడం అది.
No.
హలో
Okay. Yes.
సార్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
Yeah, good evening.
నేను సివిల్ ఇంజనీర్ సార్, మా యాక్చువల్లీ 2016 పాస్డ్ అవుట్.
See, Mary, a technology, any problem. Yesterday I told you, right? If you are into any background,
అంటే
guys, others go on. Okay, questions I'll take, you know, later. I hope many people join. Let me start this session. So after this, you know, class, I'll take your questions. In meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can post in the group. Okay. So now first thing is, I'm going to show you the course content. Okay. So what and all we are going to cover, that I'll show you now. Okay. So as I told you, right, we have, let me recap what we discussed yesterday. We didn't discuss much yesterday. So yesterday we discussed about what is Mulesoft. So what is integration? What is the use of Mulesoft? How many pages are there in Mulesoft, right? So how many pages are there in Mulesoft?
3 pages.
3. Very good. What are they?
Design, development,
and deployment.
Development.
Perfect. Design, development, and as well as deployment. Okay, guys, immediately you just go on mute. Okay. Next, in design phase, what we are going to use? We are going to use Anypoint platform. Okay. So for design purpose, if you go for other institutes, what will happen? You know, they may take at least, you know, maximum they will take, you know, 2 to 3 classes. That is the max. Okay. If you go with any institute, or if you go with any real-time trainer, they won't teach much on design. Okay. So here what I will do, only for design purpose, you know, I will take 10 sessions so that I will make you strong on this design concepts. Okay. In terms of interview, in terms of work support. So if they will provide, you know, if they will give any requirement on design, so without taking anyone else help, directly you can implement by it your own. After 10 classes, I can promise you, you can build or you can design, you can construct any kind of API very easily. So that confidence you will get it after 10 classes. So in the design phase, we are going to discuss about Anypoint platform sign up, how to create account with this Anypoint platforms account, then Anypoint platform overview, high level overview, what and all options will be there in the Anypoint platform. And also we are going to discuss about each and every you know, functionality of this platform. And then first we are going to building a simple calculator API. This is just a basic. For each and every class, I'll start with this. Why? Because this is very simple and you can construct very easily. So that's why I'll go with this. After that, we will build one employee API with the JSON, you know, format, and the student API will go with the XML. Okay. Then we will implement rights. Okay. Then library security schemes. So the moment once we complete all these, then we are going to enter real-time APIs. Okay. Here I will take 2 sessions. So in this 2 sessions, I am going to cover complete real-time APIs, how we are getting the requirement in the real time. So based on the requirement, how we are going to construct our API. So
Sir, what's the API?
API I told you right yesterday, application programming interface. Okay. Again, I will teach, don't worry, from scratch. Next, API manager, runtime manager, fragment. So everything we are going to cover in this course. Okay. These are all, very basics, and basic to advanced level, everything I can cover in the design session. So once design is completed, then what will happen? We will enter into the development. Okay. So in development, guys go on mute. Tejaswini, go on mute. Everyone, please go on. Yeah, thank you. Next, in the development session, in the development, what we are going to use, which tool?
Anypoint Studio.
Anypoint Studio, perfect. So for this Anypoint Studio, this is very, very easy. Everything will be drag and drop. Okay, I'll show you. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you the complete overview of Anypoint Studio. So here we are not going to use any kind of coding and all. Okay, so completely just drag and drop. The moment you drag and drop the component or connector, automatically code will be generated in the back. So that's why we are not going to write coding here. So I can say this tool is the best tool anyone can learn very easily. Okay, and it won't take much time. Okay, hardly I can say 35 to 40 hours we can learn it. Okay, 5 years back, I took this course. Okay, I attended only 4 sessions, that's it, only 4 sessions. So that is complete day. Okay, 6 hours, 6 hours like this I attended, I learned this. But this program I designed for 35 hours, daily 1 hour. If possible, we will set up classes on Saturday and Sunday as well, maybe 2 hours according to your availability. We'll see that. Okay, now in this studio I am going to cover all these components: studio overview, types of flows, how to debug application, what is synchronous flow, asynchronous flow. If I explain all these things right now, you are not able to understand this. Okay, so what I'll do, I am going to share this course content with you. Okay, so that once we go with the topic wise, so that you will come to know what is this Anypoint platform, or what is property file, what is scheduler, what is object store, everything you will come to know. Okay, so for each and every topic I may take 1 hour. So in this 1 hour I will take complete practical session. Initial hardly 5 to 10 minutes I'll explain theory. So the entire session will be practical sessions. There is no theory. For theory, what I'll do, I am going to provide complete material. Okay, interview questions, everything I can provide you, all the documents. Okay, you don't want to bother about the theory. Okay, theory anyone can learn right from the Google. Okay, and also topic wise, I'm going to prepare the notes. That is also I can share with you. Okay, and also I can provide one cookbook. Okay, so all the materials, softwares, everything I can provide you once you enroll this program. Okay, course content also, yeah, whatever I'm showing that I can share with you. I already created a WhatsApp group. Some people, almost 5 to 6 people are registered. Okay, so once register everyone, so that I can share all these materials, interview questions in the group. So day 1 only I can send you all the interview questions. So after completion of 10 days, okay, you have to prepare all the interview questions which are related to design phase. Okay, daily I can give you one task, and 2 to 3 interview questions I'll give you. You have to prepare answers for that. Okay, so that the moment you prepare answers, after completion of your course, easily you will get the job. Okay, in every batch, what happened after completion of course, immediately, see, suppose if we finish our classes March end or April first week, April 2nd week, immediately they are getting job. Okay, why? Because day 1 onwards, whatever I'm teaching, they are practicing. Okay, and they are preparing interview questions. They are extra practice, and they are, Google it something extra apart from whatever I'm explaining. So that's why they're getting jobs very easily. Okay, I hope you guys also will get the jobs, very soon. Okay, and also I can help you.
Companies ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ చేస్తారా సార్?
Companies not sure, and few companies I think they said they are going to open soon, but there is no proper confirmation. Okay.
Okay.
I can help you even though if they'll open companies immediately, how you need to crack the interviews, everything I can explain you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now, okay. So this is the course content which we are going to cover. Okay. And then how to enroll that certification, how to become a Mulesoft certified developer. Within a week, you are going to become a Mulesoft certified developer. I can help you how to do that. I'm going to provide you all the questions, answers, how to enroll that program, everything I will explain you very clearly. Okay. So నేను క్లియర్గా చెప్తాను ఎలా ఎన్రోల్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా. సో ఎన్రోల్ అయ్యే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, ఆన్సర్స్ ఏముంటాయి. ఓకేనా. విత్ ఇన్ వీక్లోనే మిమ్మల్ని సర్టిఫైడ్ డెవలపర్ చేసిస్తాను. ఓకేనా. సో కోర్స్ అయిపోతాను, ఇమీడియట్గా రెజ్యూమ్ పెట్టేసి రెజ్యూమ్లో Mulesoft సర్టిఫైడ్ డెవలపర్ అని పెట్టేస్తే ఈజీ కాల్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. సో నేనే రెఫర్ చేస్తాను. నాకు ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా మంది ఉన్నారండి. ఓకేనా. సో ఇక్కడ ఎవ్రీ బ్యాచ్ నాకు అట్లీస్ట్ ఎవ్రీ మంత్ నేను 2 బ్యాచెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. బ్యాచ్ వరస్ట్ కేస్ అయినా 50 మెంబర్స్ ఉంటారు. ఓకే. ఫర్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ బ్యాచ్ అట్లీస్ట్ 50 registrations will be there. Okay. That means every month, I'll get 100 students. Out of 100 students, at least if you take worst case 10%, every month 10 people will be placed in different companies. If they will have openings, they can directly share with me. I have all their contacts numbers with me. They are in touch with me, so that you don't want to bother about placements and all. I can help you. Okay. So that thing,
sure.
Yeah, that thing I will take care. And in terms of training, okay, I'm going to provide quality training from basic to advanced level. I hope some people they attended demos with different institutes and all. Okay. I hope you didn't find this many participants, right? So here you are seeing huge participants. Why? Because we are going to explain each and everything very clearly. Okay. We will provide everything from our end, so that if you just spend 2 to 3 hours on daily basis, definitely 200% you will get a job with a huge package, I can say. Okay. Now today I am going to explain you about design AnyPoint platform. Okay. So now, okay. So come here, just type anypoint.mulesoft.com. One second, guys. Okay. So I'm going to share this link with you guys. Okay. So just I'm posting in the chat box. Okay, just 1 second. Someone texted directly to me. Hold on. Let me send it to everyone. Okay, I posted this link in the chat box. Okay. So I hope everyone received my chart, right?
Yes, sir, received.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just copy paste it somewhere in your notepad or wordpad or wherever you want. Okay. Don't worry, again I'll share this link in the group. Once you guys enrolled, I'm going to share this link in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So the moment you click on this, you can see don't have account, click on sign. So here I am going to create a account. So here it is asking full name. Try to write your name. So email you can provide anything. Okay, if you have valid email you can provide it. See, I'm giving some dummy mail. Okay, phone number also I'm giving some random number. Okay, so company, if you are working you can keep your company name. If not, if you are not working, you can keep your dream company over here. Suppose some people they want to work with IBM, Infosys or TCS, like you can keep whatever you want. Okay, then here very important, this is the username. So whatever the username which you are providing here, okay, same you have to use it, for entire, your course. So I gave this username and let me set up my password. So if you want to set up this password, you have to use at least one number, one lowercase, one uppercase, and it should be minimum 8 characters. See, I created my own password. Click on this checkbox. I'm not a robot. And you have to agree this Mulesoft terms and conditions. Okay. So the moment you provided all this info, just accept and then create it. See what happened? User already exists. Bargoretti, it was already there in the Mulesoft database. Let me write something else. 0. I added extra this.
So mail అనేది ఏదైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు సార్.
Mail you can provide it anything. See, now account got created. So this is how you can create your account. This is much similar to how we are going to create an account with the Facebook and all. Very similar. Okay. So Bargoretti 0. This is my password. One second. You do not have 1 second. Hold on. Let me refresh. Username I gave wrong one. Okay. See, once you create account, what is the company name I kept? TCS, right? So I kept this. Now click here, click on this designs, or else first click on this AnyPoint platform. So the moment you click on this AnyPoint platform, so it will take to your home page. Okay, your home page will be look like this. Okay, so here today I'm going to explain high level overview of this AnyPoint platform. Okay, so you can see couple of options. Ikkada chala options unnai kada, design center, exchange, AnyPoint studio, data graph, management center, access management, API manager, runtime manager, visualization, monitoring, secrets manager, everything will be there, right? So ఒక్కొక్కటి వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇది ఒక్కొక్కటి దేనికి వాడతాము, ఎందుకు వాడతాము, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ, ఓకే, వై వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యూజ్ దిస్ డిజైన్ సెంటర్, why we are going to use this exchange. Okay, everything I will explain you now. Okay, just a high level overview. On daily basis, we need to work at least 1 or 2 days for each and every functionality. See now, can you see here design center? See, whatever you can see options here, design center, exchange, data graph, management center, everything you can see here. Can you see in the left hand side, 3 horizontal lines are there, right? Just click on this. So the moment you click on this, everything, whatever the options you are seeing here, same available here. See design center, here is the design center. Then exchange, here is the exchange. Data graph, this is the data graph. Then management center, this is the management center. In the management center, access management, API manager, runtime, visualizer, monitoring, secrets, everything was there. Okay, you can access here or else here, anything is fine. Okay, now, so first thing, let me explain this design center. So what is this design center? Why we need to use this design center? Okay, so by using this design center, we are going to create a APIs. Okay, so how to create and all I can show you after few minutes. So here we are going to construct or design our APIs, right? So once we design this API, we need to publish this API to the exchange. Can you see exchange? So why we want to publish our APIs to the exchange? If you publish our APIs to the exchange, what will happen? Other developers in your project or managers or business analysts or clients, if they will have access, they can see your specification. Okay, how you design this APIs, what is your resource path, what is the request you are using, what is the response you are using. Okay, everything other developers, they can see your specifications. Okay, so that is the use of this section. First thing is ఈ డిజైన్ సెంటర్ యూజ్ చేసి ఏపీఎస్ ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. ఈ క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఏపీఎస్ ని ఎక్స్చేంజ్ లోకి పబ్లిష్ చేస్తాం. Got it? Here we are going to create APIs. That APIs we are going to publish it to the exchange. Then, so data graph, they recently introduced this. Okay, so we don't want to use this much in our real time as well. Now we are going to talk about this management center. So in this management center, we do have multiple options. Can you see here? First one is access management. So in the access management, what we will do, we are going to manage the users. Managing users means to whom we need to provide the access. See, suppose you joined the organization called TCS. In TCS, you joined as a Mulesoft developer. Okay, based on your experience. Okay, based on your experience, they are going to assign you some role. First thing, they will create an account for you. See, in real time, we are not going to sign up with any application, right? So how you will get access? Everything they will provide you. I will show you how they will give access to you in the real time. I can show you two ways. How to, if they will not provide access to us, how to register for this platform account. This already explained you, right, just now. But in real time, how they are going to provide access to you, whom suppose 10 Mulesoft developers will be there. Okay, out of 10 people, for each and every developer, what kind of permissions we need to provide. See, the moment you see here,
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. Is it for everyone?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Please check your internet connection, or else what you can do, you can switch your network. Okay, see, I'm using 75 Mbps speed. Okay, there is no chance of cracking the voice. See, here we can access. If you click on anything, you can access here. Why? Because you created this account, you are the admin for this, understood? So that you can access any functionality here, but in real time, say suppose if you want to access this runtime manager in real time, maybe you do not have permission. Why? Because this runtime manager we are going to use for deployment purpose. Okay. Sometimes for deployment, there will be a separate team. They are going to take care of your deployment. In that scenario, okay, they are not going to provide access to you. You are a developer, right? So if you are a developer, they can provide access to Design Center and as well as Excel. So, and one more thing, in the organization, in project,
like repeating 2 times like this, some disturbance is coming. So
no, please check, your internet connection. Okay.
okay.
See, from my end, it was good. I hope everyone getting my voice very clearly.
Yes.
Okay.
It's clear, Bhargav. You can go
Yeah.
ahead.
Okay. So, in real time, what will happen in one project? We are not only one developer, not only Mulesoft developer, right? Project means first thing we have architect, we have a project manager, we have delivery manager, we have a team lead, we have a senior resource, we have senior software engineers, junior software engineers, software trainees, business analyst, testers. So many people will be there, right? So they are all working under one project. That means suppose in our project manager is there. Okay. Sometimes manager is not a technical guy. Understood? He is a functional guy, right? So functional guy means he don't know the Mulesoft, correct? So if you don't know the Mulesoft, what they will do, they are not going to provide access to this design center. Why? Because he's a manager, he don't know how to create APIs and all, nothing, right? So for him, even though if he is a manager, he don't have access to this design center. So what he can access only Exchange. Why they are going to provide access to him to the Exchange? Whatever the APIs which we developed, we publish to the Exchange, so that he can see over there. He cannot access other things. So how they are going to restrict this kind of permissions, how they are going to create users, this and all, in coming classes I will show you. Now understood, right? What is this design center? What is Exchange? So what is the use of design center?
Creating API.
Design the APIs. Sir, to design the API.
Very good. By using this design center, we can design our APIs. So what is the use of Exchange?
Sir, to provide link to other departments.
For access.
Publish API.
to publish the API.
Okay, good. So once we design this APIs, we need to publish to the Exchange. So the moment we publish to the Exchange, other developers or managers or business analysts, they can see our APIs. So that is the use of this Exchange. Data graph we'll see later. That's why I told you, right? I'll take 5 extra classes. So in this, I will include this. Next, management center. In the access management, what we will do? We are going to create a users. Okay. So very first time, if you join any organization, okay, not only TCS, once you join with IBM or Infosys or XYZ company, very first time, what will happen? Can someone tell me? Once you onboarded, what they will do?
They will give you user ID. So it give you training.
Before training, what they will do? They are going to
credentials.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. So they are going to provide a username and password, right? So they can create a users and all. Okay. So in access management, what will happen? If you join as a Mulesoft developer, they need to provide access to this AnyPoint platform, correct? So here, by using this access management, they are going to provide access to you, okay, to construct this application based on your role. Okay. Next, API manager. So whatever the APIs which you develop, hey, you have to set up some policies. Policies means security. So by using this API manager, we can set up some policies. Okay. Next, runtime manager. So by using this runtime manager, we are going to deploy our application. I told you right in yesterday's session, deployment we can do it in two ways, right?
Yes.
One is any point platform.
Cloud and on-premises.
Cloud Hub and on-premise. Okay. That is, so how many ways we can deploy? Two ways. One is directly by using this AnyPoint platform runtime manager option, we can deploy. Okay. Next, by using Studio also we can deploy. That I will show you tomorrow. Okay. Next, visualizer and the monitoring secret. These are all, monitoring purpose we are going to use. Okay. So this is the complete overview of this AnyPoint platform. Okay. Next. So if you come here, okay, now we've seen all these options, right? So almost we covered all these options. All we are going to implement, practically each and every thing what we are going to use in the design center, what we are going to use in the access management, what we will do with this API manager, everything practically we will see. Then now can you see here the moment we selected this company name, we can see this is the company name. If you join with Infosys, you can see the Infosys here. Okay. Now can you see here question mark? Just click on this question mark. So here you can see so many things. Can you see here documentation, forum, help center, training, tutorials. So this can you see, let me open this documentation. See, the moment I open this documentation here, you will get the complete Mulesoft related documentation. Okay. So here, they are going to provide you each and everything, each and every concept, okay, with the proper examples and as well as screenshots. Proper material you will get it. Okay. Next, forums. Let me open this forum. Guys, go on mute.
Hello.
1 second, guys. Okay. Just give me some time. I'll take your questions later. What happened? Why it is taking more? Okay, let me explain instead of saying. So documentation means you will get the complete Mulesoft documentation here. Forums. So in forums, what will happen? In forums, many people they registered.
Forums అంటే ఏంటి సార్?
ఫోరమ్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏమైనా గ్రూప్స్ ఇట్లా వాడుతూ ఉంటాం కదా, వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్ ఇట్లా ఈ ఫోరమ్స్ లో ఏమవుతుందంటే ఆల్ Mulesoft డెవలపర్స్ అంతా ఉంటారు ఇక్కడ, ఆర్కిటెక్ట్స్ ఉంటారు, సీనియర్స్.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
సో
అన్ని డిపార్ట్మెంట్లు కలిపి ఒక
సార్ ఈ ఆప్షన్స్ అన్ని క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే వస్తాయా?
ఇఫ్ యూ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఆల్ దిస్. ఓకే. ఈ ఫోరమ్స్ వల్ల యూజ్ ఏంటంటే, see suppose if you are implementing, if you are developing any one project, unfortunately you got one error. Okay. The moment you got error, you copied that error, you posted in the Google. Still you are not able to resolve that issue. In that scenario, what you can do, you can post that question in the forum. The moment you post that question in the forums, many people, almost thousands of people, thousands of Mulesoft developers will be there in the forum. What they will do, someone they are going to help you. Okay. So that is the use of this forum. Next, help center.
Sir, one question here.
Yes.
Do we need to have access for these forums as well?
Yes, you just sign on. You have to create account. I'll show you in coming classes how to register with this forums and all.
Right. Okay.
Okay. And the next help center. So by using this help center, what will happen if you are facing any issue, if you are not able to, if any functionality is not working, okay, you can directly contact with them. They are going to help you. Okay, that is the use of help center. Like you can treat it as a customer care. If you are facing any issue with your bank and all, you can call to customer care, right? Here we can call it as help center. You can call to them and you can explain
Can
your
you say about documentation?
they can help you. Okay. Next, training. This is very, very important. Here in this training, they are going to provide you some free training. That means they already, created some videos that they are going to, you have to go through that videos. Okay. So maybe for freshers, it will be very useful. Here, what will happen? You have to follow each and every video very clearly. If you miss something, what will happen? There will be some dependency. See, suppose today you use something, if you are not implemented, this guy, same, he can use maybe some 13th class or 14th class. So that time, you will face some difficulties. Okay. But I can help you how to go through, how to finish this training and all. Then tutorials also, you will get awesome tutorials, topic wise, each and everything you will get. And apart from this, okay, guys, go on mute. Okay. See, apart from this documentation, forums, help center, trainings, okay, developers, they are going to conduct some meetups. Okay, meetup is nothing but, see, if I am good at one topic, see, I am very good at design. Okay, what I will do, okay, I am going to, organize one class saying that, hey, on this date, I am going to explain you complete design phase. So what will happen? Let me show you meetups. There will be different meetups. Okay, Mulesoft meetups. See, the moment you click on this meetups, see, this is the link. So here, so many meetups will be there. See, based on the region also, you can select this. Okay, online. The moment you click on this online, what will happen? You can see all these meetups. So you can find the group. So if you just click on this, okay, suppose if you are staying in Asia, so just click on this. See, in Asia, Bangalore, Chandigarh, Jaipur, Kolhapur, Indore, Surat, Delhi. So these are the different types of meetup. You can see in Hyderabad also we have meetup. The moment you click on this, Hyderabad. So this is the Hyderabad meetup. Okay. If you want to join this meetup group, click on this join. So it will ask you username and password. If you don't have account, create account. So what is the use of this meetup? Here they will take one topic. They are going to explain you very clearly. Maybe experts will teach. Expert is nothing but if you are good at one topic, you can deliver things. So that they will take one topic, they will explain you that topic very clear.
అంటే ఏదైనా టాపిక్ అర్థం కానప్పుడు మనం ఈ మీట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి జస్ట్ మన టాపిక్స్ ఇస్తే వాళ్ళు మనకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు సార్.
మనం ఇవ్వము. దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు take the topic and they will intimate to us. So we will get a mail saying that on this date we are going to deliver this topic. So that time what will happen? We need to attend that class. The moment you attend that class, after completion of that class, if you have any queries, you can ask them. They can help you so that you will get better idea. So after completion of that session, they may ask you 3 to 4 questions. Okay, if you answer correctly, okay, so that what will happen, you may get a voucher voucher means for MCD level 1 vouchers you will get it, or else MCA, MCPA vouchers you will get it, or else you will get T-shirts or mug. Okay, anything which is related to Mulesoft, you will get it free of cost. Okay, and you can learn subject as well here. If you attend n number of meetups, you will get more knowledge. You can crack the interview very easily. Even suppose after completion of your course, you attended any interview. Okay, suppose if you take one topic, you are not very clear on that. Suppose they are explaining that topic, whatever the interview questions you got it, you can ask them. Maybe they can explain it. So that is the use of this meetup. Okay. So how to register all these meetups? I can share all these links with you so that you will gain more knowledge. Okay.
సార్ ఈ లింక్స్ అని వాట్సాప్ సెండ్ చేస్తారు కదా సార్?
అన్ని వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో నేను పంపిస్తాను, క్రియేట్ చేశాక. ఓకేనా? సో తర్వాత సమ్ బెస్ట్ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ నేను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినవన్నీ మీకు ఐ విల్ డూ వాట్సాప్. ఓకే. See, from my end, I am going to deliver everything. Okay. So what you need to do, you just spend 1 or 2 hours on daily basis, at least 1.5 months, so that you can get the job very easily. Okay. And one more thing regarding certification.
Certification is important, sir.
Very, very important. Okay. Nowadays, all companies are asking this. Okay.
Okay.
Mulesoft English develop. Can you see? I'll show one guy. Can you see this guy? His name is Aryan. He is a 15 years old guy. Okay. See, at the time of, at the age of 15 years, even we did not finish our +2, right? So in his age, at the age of 15, he completed, this Mulesoft certification. Okay, his father is also Mulesoft developer. Okay, whenever he is working, he learned something, and he cracked that MCD level 1 exam, so that even you can crack that exam very easily. Okay, so after see, his father is Ram, Mulesoft integration architect at Capgemini. Provided Aryan with the support he needed whenever he had any questions. But Aryan wanted to learn more than programming languages. Okay. So this
certification కోసం exam రాయాలా లేకపోతే మీరు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారా?
Exam మీరు రాయాలి, questions answers I can provide.
Okay, దానికి సెపరేట్ అదే ఫీజు ఏమైనా ఉంటుందా?
That is included and free of cost.
Okay, sir, thank you.
If you want to enroll that program, you have to pay $250. But Mulesoft, the company itself, it is offering free of cost. Okay, I can tell you how to get that voucher. Once you got the voucher, okay, I can share you all the questions and answers in the group, so that you can prepare that and you can crack that interview. I can help you how to remember that answers also. Okay. So this we need to finish this within a week. We need to finish this certification as well. Okay. And then so I explained overview, right? Okay. Once we start the classes, we will go with this design center. In the design center, we will create APIs. Okay, what and all the options will be there. Okay, everything we can see. Click on create new. So we could see all these options, right? So what is this option? Why guys go on mute. Okay, so when we want to go with the fragment, when we want to import the file, when we want to go with a new API spec, everything I will explain you from scratch. Okay, this I will explain you in the coming sessions. Okay, now just I gave overview about AnyPoint platform overview. Okay, here you can see.
Sir,
yes, can you see AnyPoint platform sign up and overview. Okay.
Hello sir.
Yes.
డిజైన్ రావాలంటే రామల్ రావాలా సార్?
రామల్ రాయాలి. ఎలా రాయాలి అనేది నేను నేర్పిస్తాను కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్.
ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్ అది రామల్ అన్నది బాగా.
రామెల్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్.
ఓకే
ఓకేనా. సో రామెల్ అంటే ఏంది, ఎలా రాయాలి, ఫ్రమ్ బేసిక్ నుంచి నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకేనా.
ప్రాక్టికల్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు స్లోగా చూపిస్తారు కదా సార్?
ప్రాక్టికల్ చేసేటప్పుడు చెప్తాను, ఎర్రర్స్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ వస్తాయి, ఎలా వస్తాయి, ఎలా ఫిక్స్ చేయాలి, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నేను చెప్తాను.
అదే సార్, అదే మీరు షోయింగ్ చూపించేటప్పుడు స్లోగా చూపిస్తారు.
వెరీ క్లియర్ గా నిదానంగా నీట్ గా చెప్తాను.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Sir, small request. Can you once say about the data graph, sir? Just I missed the point.
డేటా గ్రాఫ్ నేనేం చెప్పలేదండి, అది కవర్ చేద్దాం. అది నేను ఇంతవరకు నేను ఏ బ్యాచ్ కి చెప్పలేదు, మీ బ్యాచ్ కి చెప్దామని చెప్పాను. ఓకేనా. అది మీకు క్లాస్ సపరేట్ సెషన్ తీసుకుంటాను 1 hour దాంట్లో. సారీ, జాబ్ సపోర్ట్ చెప్పాను కదండి, నేనే రెఫర్ చేస్తాను ఆల్మోస్ట్. నాకు చాలా స్టూడెంట్స్ గైస్ గోన్.
లేదు సార్, ఒకసారి జాబ్ వచ్చాక ఏదన్నా డౌట్స్ కానీ
జాబ్ వచ్చాక, సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ యూ కెన్ పోస్ట్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్. I can guide you how to do that. Okay. Still, if you are not able to do that, I can assign you one dedicated person. He is going to help you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir.
Guys, I'm getting some baby noise. Guys,
so Mule 4 only Mule 4 training ఇస్తున్నాం కదా. సో Mule 3 కూడా కవర్ అవుతుందా మనకి ఇందులో?
ఎందుకంటే ఈ కోర్స్ లో ఇంక్లూడ్ లేదు. ఎందుకు అంటే ఆ Mule 3 అనేది చాలా కష్టం అండి, ఫస్ట్ థింగ్. సెకండ్ థింగ్, చాలా కంపెనీస్ అసలు ఈ Mule 3 అనేది వాడరు. ఓకేనా. ఐ కెన్ సే మీరు 100 కంపెనీస్ కి వెళ్తే హార్డ్లీ 2 to 3 కంపెనీస్ మాత్రమే Mule 3 వాడుతుంది. ఓకేనా.
కానీ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో Mule 3 గురించి అడుగుతారా సార్?
అడగరండి, ఓన్లీ Mule 4.
బట్ స్టిల్ మీ దగ్గర Mule 3 ఏమైనా ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే పంపియండి. మామూలుగా
క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను పంపిస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే డిఫరెన్సెస్ అడుగుతారు, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ Mule 3 అండ్ Mule 4 అంటారు. ఓకేనా. ఇలా క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని నేను చేస్తాను. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఒక పీపీటీ ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా. సో
sir, do you have Mule 1 and Mule 2, sir?
లేదండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి. I prepared one PPT for you, self details. Very first question, right, in interview they may ask you this question, tell me about yourself. Okay, how you have to explain, I wrote it here. So once you explain this, immediately they may ask you what and all your roles and responsibilities in your project. That is the next question. See here, I wrote very clear, as a part of the project I have worked both Mule 3 and Mule 4 version. Now you just skip this. As a part of the project, I have worked on Mule 4 version. I have worked all the phases in Mulesoft, like design, development, deployment. In design phase, I have worked in Ramal. In development phase, I have worked with the flows, subflows, like this. Whatever you want, I clearly explain. Then one project I wrote it here. Okay, we just go through this, and then all the interview questions I wrote it here. Okay, what and all the coding standards you are going to follow in your project, naming conventions you are following, everything I wrote it very clear. Almost all kind of interview questions I wrote it here. Okay, so this entire document I can share with you. Okay,
ఇది ఫస్ట్ డేనే షేర్ చేస్తారా లేదంటే క్లాసెస్ ఎన్రోల్ అయినా ఫస్ట్ డేనే పంపిస్తారా?
ఎన్రోల్ అయితేనే పంపిస్తారు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, Mule 3 కి Mule 4 కి డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఇందాక అడిగారు కదా, సో ఇక్కడ అన్ని రాసి పెట్టాను. ఓకేనా. సో ఏదైనా మైగ్రేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేశారా, ఏమైనా ఇష్యూస్ వచ్చినాయా అంటే దానికి కూడా ఒక సినారియో రాసి పెట్టాను. ఓకేనా. సో మీరు ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఫాలో అవుతే మీకు 10 questions వస్తే, out of 10 questions 5 questions will be 5 to 6 questions will be there in this document only. Okay, so everything I prepared, very clearly. Okay, this complete document I can.
Any questions ఉంటాయి సార్?
ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమి ఎక్కువ ఏమి ఉండవండి, ఇది జస్ట్ టాపిక్స్ వైజ్ నేను క్రియేట్ చేసి పెట్టాను. ఓకేనా. So questions apart from this, I can provide you separate interview questions.
Okay.
Almost 300 to 500 I can provide. Okay. సారీ, ఎనీ పాయింట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లోనే రామెల్ ఉంటుంది, డిజైన్ సెంటర్ లో వాడతాం. ఓకే, సో జస్ట్ హై లెవెల్ ఓవర్వ్యూ చెప్తాను. సో టుమారో స్టూడియో హై లెవెల్ ఓవర్వ్యూ చెప్తాను. ఒక చిన్న ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేద్దాం, ఓకేనా? ఏమేమి ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, that we will discuss in the tomorrow session. Then tomorrow, not tomorrow, maybe Monday, okay, Tuesday we are going to construct one API. Okay,
ఈ రోజు నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయినట్టే కదా సార్ మన క్లాసిక?
ఇవన్నీ కంటిన్యూ ఉంటాయి ఇట్లే సేమ్.
ఓకే,
సో బట్ యాక్చువల్ గా ఏంటంటే ఫీ పే చేశాక అందరినీ గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే,
సో ఆల్రెడీ 8 మెంబర్స్ పే చేశారు, ఆల్రెడీ గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేశాము.
ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటి సార్ మామూలుగా?
ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్ మీరు ఎవరిని కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యారో వాళ్ళని అడగండి, చెప్తారు. ఓకేనా? వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు. మీరు ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్స్ అయితే ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్స్, ఫుల్ అయితే ఫుల్. సార్ ఐ హ్యావ్ 4 GB ల్యాప్టాప్, కెన్ యాక్సెస్ ఎనీ పాయింట్ స్టూడియో? ఎస్, యూ కెన్ యాక్సెస్, బట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ స్లో. So instead of that, what you can do, you can upgrade your RAM. If you pay 1,000 rupees or 1,300 or 1,500, they are going to add extra one more slot for you. Okay,
sir, i3 processor, 8 GB RAM and
if you have 8 GB, fair enough.
512 SSD is
no problem, sir. No problem. See, only problem if you have 4 GB, it will be very slow. Someone is making one. Okay,
sir, for this desired purpose we can use RAML?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, okay then.
Sir, Workato or Mulesoft, which has more openings. So compared to with the Workato, if you take Mulesoft, if you have 100 openings on Mulesoft, in Workato you will find out 1 or 2.
Sir, what is RAML, sir?
RAML, RESTful API modeling language. For design purpose we are going to use. Okay, so I'll take separate session completely on RAML so that you will understand. Okay,
sir, ఈ 30 days లో మనం డైలీ 1 hour 1.5 hour చేస్తే మనం ఈజీగా మనకి సపోర్ట్ కూడా అవసరం లేకుండా సరిపోయింది సార్.
yes.
హలో, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
ఎస్
సార్, ఇప్పుడు మనం స్ప్రింగ్ బూట్ అంటే నేను మామూలుగా ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో చేరాను సార్. అక్కడ స్విట్జర్లాండ్ అతను ఏమన్నాడంటే స్ప్రింగ్ బూట్ ఆయన మామూలు మ్యూల్సాఫ్ట్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ కి అని చెప్పేసి అన్నాడు. మ్యూల్సాఫ్ట్ నాకు రాదని చెప్పాను.
ఓకే,
అంటే స్ప్రింగ్ బూట్ ఇవన్నీ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి ఈజీగానే ఉంటది అని చెప్పేసి అతను ఒపీనియన్ అనమాట.
ఇప్పుడు స్ప్రింగ్ బూట్ అనేది అది జావాలో ఉంటాయి కదా, ఫ్రేమ్ వర్క్ కదా.
అవును సార్.
సో మీకు ఆ ఫ్రేమ్ వర్క్ అంటే చాలా కష్టం. ఇఫ్ యు నో దట్ ఫ్రేమ్ వర్క్, యూ కెన్ లెర్న్ వెరీ ఈజీలీ దిస్ Mulesoft. ఇన్ దట్ పర్సెప్షన్ హీ టోల్డ్.
అదే అంటే
గో ఆన్.
సార్
గో ఆన్.
అదే ఎందుకు ఆయన బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ డెవలపర్ తో అట్లా Mulesoft చేద్దాం అనుకున్నారు సార్?
మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కదా. మీకు ఆ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ డెవలపర్ అది ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అంత ఐడియా ఉంటది కాబట్టి Mulesoft జస్ట్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్, సో దట్ యూ కెన్ లెర్న్ వెరీ ఈజీలీ. సో దట్స్ వై హీ సజెస్టెడ్ యువర్ నేమ్.
ఓకే,
మేబీ యు ఆర్ గుడ్ అట్ దిస్ స్ప్రింగ్ బూట్.
అంటే ప్రాక్సీ ద్వారానే వచ్చిన జాబ్ సార్, అందువల్ల అదొక ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయింది.
వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. ఓకే, he don't know, right? Many people they don't know like how we
దాన్ని మళ్ళీ సర్వీస్ నౌ API అని చెప్పేసి అన్నాడు.
ఓకే sir, at the end of the course can we crack this?
Sir, ఇది మన ఈ మూల్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అనేది బయట ఎవరికి తెలియదా సార్?
ఇప్పుడు చాలా మందికి తెలుసు అండి. ఒక 3 years బ్యాక్ తెలియదు. 3 years బ్యాక్ 3-4 years బ్యాక్ జస్ట్ డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పి API అంటే ఏందో చెప్పి ఈజీగా జాబ్ వస్తా ఉన్నది. ఓకేనా?
అదే సార్, అంటే మామూలుగా ఇక్కడ ఎంక్వైరీ చేస్తే Mulesoft అనేది ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా వింటున్నాం అని అంటున్నారు సార్. అందుకే
కొత్తగా కాదు, కొందరికి తెలిసిండదు, ఇప్పుడు బాగా చాలా బాగా పాపులర్ అయింది. ఓకేనా. సో ఏంటంటే నా దగ్గరే ఒక బ్యాచ్ కి 50 to 50 అట్లా ఉంటారు. ఎవ్రీ మంత్ 100 మెంబర్స్ వెళ్తూ ఉంటారు. ఓకే
హలో సార్.
యా
సార్ నేను కంప్లీట్ గా సివిల్ ఇంజనీరు.
ఓకే.
ఐటీ నాలెడ్జ్ లేదు నాకు.
చెప్పాను కదా, నిన్న కూడా సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు కదా మీకు.
ఎలా
ఏ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అయినా
అవ్వచ్చు
ఓకే,
అంటే గెట్ ఇన్ అవ్వచ్చా? కంప్లీట్ గా
ఈజీగా
ఐటీ ఫీల్డ్ లేదు నాకు, అసలు నాలెడ్జ్
ఈజీగా
లేదు. కోడింగ్ తెలియదు, అట్లీస్ట్ సిస్టమ్ నావిగేషన్స్ కూడా సరిగ్గా తెలియదు.
మీరు ఏంటంటే ఈ 1 month లో నేర్చుకుంటారండి. నేను చెప్తాను ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ. ఓకేనా.
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఎలా సార్? అది మనం
నేను ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తానండి. నేను మంచి కంపెనీస్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వి విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ ఎండ్. ఓకే, వాట్ యు నీడ్ టు డు.
సో దానికి సెపరేట్ కాస్ట్ సార్?
సెపరేట్ ఉంటుంది. అది వేరే వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారు కదా.
ఓకే, అదే
ఐ కెన్ గివ్ యూ ది కాంటాక్ట్స్ అన్న.
ఫర్ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ మినిమం కాస్ట్ సార్?
అవి చెప్తానండి, డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ కంపెనీస్, కేటగిరీస్ ఉంటాయి. 1 second.
మినిమం ఎంత వచ్చేది సార్? మినిమం
1 second.